Jeffrey.
Look at him, looks right at
Say hi.
Jeffrey says,
Jeffrey.
please and thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
You want to give me a big hug, kiss? On camera? Mwah.
A hug, a hug.
A hug. Give me a hug. Look at he wants to make sure he gets it to the picture.
Daddy.
You want to hug Daddy?
Jeffrey, you can't help Daddy.
What do you want to do, Jeff? Ooh, he's right there.
I got boo-boo.
Where'd you get a boo-boo? Let me see. Can I see?
Show the camera. Show the camera.
I got cookies.
Oh, what kind of cookies are they?
Cookies. I got
Chocolate.
cookies.
Chocolate what?
Yes, cookies too.
Oh,
More. Oh, this is for Jeffrey.
Oh, more cookies.
Does Jeffrey like cookies?
Yeah.
Where's your boo-boo, Jeffrey?
Like here.
Oh, that's a big boo-boo. How'd you get that?
How'd you get that, Jeff?
My nail.
It is,
Yeah.
Did Jeffrey cry?
Yeah.
Oh, he did.
Yeah. Let me fix your hair for the camera. Let me fix your hair.
Sweet peas. Sweet peas.
Sweet pea.
Sweet peas. Say sweet peas.
And this
Say
is
sweet peas.
Jeffrey, do it.
I will.
Do the hokey pokey. You put your head in. You put your head in. You put your head out. You put your head in. And you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Go into Uncle Marty and show him. Go show him. Show him how you do the hokey pokey. What?
It's ripping. Oh,
It's
more. Ripping.
It's ripping?
Oh, yeah. Rub it in. Shake it over.
Let's put it over his back, right?
Oh, that's so
Oh, ah.
No.
Jerry showing up now?
Sherry learned how to do a lot at school, Marty. Show us what you learned at school, Sherry.
Hey, Richie, that's what cost me $40,000 a year. Show us. God, please. It's like the kid learning how to play the piano. Show them. God, put a concert on.
You want your the water running the whole time, right?
Did you like it?
Put that record on.
He still likes that record player.
Yeah.
He likes music. He always liked music. Your mother?
Hi, Mom. Everything's fine. Everything's just perfect, darling. That's enough, Richard. Richard.
Any messages? Do you want to say hello,
That's
Dad?
enough,
Want to say hello,
Richard.
Dad?
Hi, Dad. Get off her case already. She's doing a laundry. She'll be right back. Who was that on the phone? I don't know, Daddy. It's the wrong number.